With Apple Pay, you can use your Apple devices to make purchases in stores, on the web, in apps, and more. It's easy, secure, and private. On your iPhone, open the Wallet app and tap the Add button. Then, tap Debit or Credit Card to add a payment card, and tap Continue when you're ready. Now, touch your card to the back of your iPhone to add it, or enter your card details manually and follow the on-screen instructions. Your bank or card issuer might request additional verification to approve the use of your card with Apple Pay. Once you've added a card on your iPhone, your other Apple devices might also ask if you'd like to authenticate that card for use with Apple Pay. In Settings, under Wallet and Apple Pay, you can change your default card at any time if you've added multiple cards. When making a purchase in person, check for the contactless symbol or Apple Pay logo. You can use Apple Pay with your iPhone or Apple Watch at many stores, restaurants, vending machines, when paying for public transit, and more. When you want to make a purchase on an iPhone with Face ID, simply double-click the side button and glance at your iPhone to authenticate. If you have an iPhone with Touch ID, double-click the Home button, then rest your finger on it to authenticate. Or, depending on your settings, you can use your passcode. Your default card will appear for use. You can also select Pay Later options or tap your cards at the bottom of the screen to switch to a different card. When you're ready to pay, just hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless symbol on the card reader. When the transaction is complete, a chime will play, and a done message and check mark will appear on your screen. Buying something online? You can skip filling out forms when making purchases on the web or in apps when you use Apple Pay as a payment option. Just tap or click the Apple Pay button, and you can review the purchase details, confirm your billing and shipping address, and even choose a supported card to pay with rewards, or select Pay Later options or a different payment method. Then, just double-click the side button and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to complete the transaction. And that's how you can make purchases securely and easily with Apple Pay. Terms apply. For more information, see apple.com/apple-pay.